Hi everyone, welcome to our bookmaking series. My name is Lily and I'm an information assistant at the Bathurst Clark Resource Library. Today I will be showing you how to make this cool book. The name is called the Origami Pamphlet and it looks like this. It's a very easy book to make. And it's a great little activity to do with young children, and you can draw your little doodles or decorate it however you like. And now let's get started. Here are the materials needed for this book: a scissor and a piece of paper of your choice. First, we're going to fold this piece of paper horizontally. Open it up. Then we're going to fold the other way into half. And then we will fold this top flap this way. And then flip it. We'll do the same on this side. Now we have something like this. Now we want to open these two flaps up, and we have this in the middle. And you'll be able to see this line that we just folded. Take the scissor and cut on this line up to this crease. Now you have something like this. This cut should allow you to open this completely, and you'll be able to fold it down where the creases are. And then we're going to fold this down, and then this way again, so it looks like a little pamphlet. And there you go, an easy origami pamphlet. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the video by commenting down below. We love to see you try making this at home. If you do, please share with us using #VPL@home or send us a direct message. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more bookbinding videos. See you next time.